What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. We have Shay and Shebada link up. I don't know that go already. Be a people I get chat and disrespect. You see me? You have the Lion Man and Shay link up also, and you have the Lion Man, Shay and Zuma. You know what I mean? Zuma, this is the Lion Man and this back Zuma. You see me? We are gonna get in at that. We also have the woman named Sassy, seeing she respond to Shebada, cause earlier on Shebada said some things about her. You see me? And she come back and clap back at Shebada, my people. No, Shebada in the night, yeah, clap back. You see me? So me I go share that with Uno. We also have some other things. Wanna know, say me not good at remembering things certain way you see it. So we are gonna get in at my people. Whatever on hear in the intro, on definitely I gonna see in the video. So we could get into it.
Thank you.
Do everybody want JX? Even if you have to co-parent with her, don't acknowledge it on the media.
Thank
do
you.
not confirm nothing that she's saying.
Thank you,
not
people.
go. Me hear even Rosealee say, oh, the vehicle where she buy her bim bim, where she swears that she not gonna make JX driving her, him driving her the bim bim, go a meeting with her. It should be a case where even if he's going to the meeting, he take a taxi.
Mama then said bim bim there garage one engine.
Yeah, but she said she drive him driving at the vehicle.
Me I believe her.
Sitting side and side. I believe her because Jakes confirm it.
They say it was a taxi, it's not our car. Our car in a garage. One engine. At Stone she buy for engine them.
We want Jakes. We said Jakes, do not confirm nothing. It is easier for them to cancel you than cancel Rose. And if Rose almost get cancelled, you know. Because you realize the night when she came out and said she go co-parent with her baby father was the night when nobody was playing with her.
A truth.
Nobody
girl.
was playing with her.
Nobody never play with her for
Nobody was the Sunday when nobody not playing with her. She go up everybody till she almost in her tears, and then she start say, oh, if she must talk back to her baby father, and I'm say, me I say, Jake, do not buy into this thing, do not confirm it. If she call you, don't answer it. If she talk to you, I can bet you. You see, anytime that she realize that then cancel Jake, she going to come out with a lot of recordings. A lot of things where she go say, where she record, where him say, everything. And they want him. The game where you look at it, I was on the game and I say, my God. And if nobody not tap, where me a tap for? Me a gift them. And if nobody not tap, where me a tap for?
Hello, listen to me. I science leak.
No, not about no science. It's not science. It's a mind game.
Hold on, Tuffy, we not deal with that right now.
It's a mind game. Remember Rose said is study the app. And Jakes don't know. The day before, remember the lady down here, the lady with the senior said, Rose said it. To keep on trying to find ways to bring down Jakes, because she said the house cannot finish. The house cannot finish. A days before that she talk all type of something about Jake. A days before that she said the pitting him now mind the pitting. Nothing what she do. So what she realize now, you can't beat him, so you join him and kill him.
And kill him, right this so.
You join him and kill him. Can't matter what Jakes do. It no matter when do. Because it worse, me I watch the screen record and I listen, the way how him talk, the way how him passionate, and nobody can set him. Nobody can set him, but you also got to stay same place. Getting Rosealee will come fix a shot about anything she have to do to for him to get back the house. I can tell you the only thing Rose is going to do is fix over fear purple yard and then laugh after Jakes and finish one. She not going to help. No matter how she talk pretty, she not going to do nothing.
Right. Kiki, I say your name?
Yeah.
Kiki, listen now. And some shit up to get cancelled too, you know. So he might come with a trick to the say, you know. So he might go to the Valentine's here and then something like him get cancelled too, you know. Can nobody not play with him?
See it.
Nobody not play with him. So he might try to come and watch the Valentine's where go and people who still cancel him. We not make him put a foot further if we're gonna whip on TikTok. I say him make him I him build Rosalie. Cause when him come Rosalie, I'll get cancer. And I him carry Rosalie up on top. Which we know that's a lie.
When him attack that, nobody not listening. Everybody
Right.
know that.
Cause him get cancer. So listen. You see, Jakes, me never know say, me not go say you're slow enough, but something you just nah pick up fast enough. Cause Jakes, you never see the screen record when she and Jabaz and she said, watch you bring her come. And Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday she come and shoot for you, and Thursday bring them come. So this now, we can't blame the gifters them. If me never dep on the live and he mute people and me was a gifter for him, I would have still give him. Right? But who he mute, them not gonna give him. And maybe a friend and friend and friend and friend. So them gonna say, oh, nobody go back over there go give him because he mute me. You understand? So me I say, once me not dep on the live as a gifter and he mute people and me never dep on it, I would still give him. But I think me want to find out, Kiki, what him do? He mute the whole entire live? Or him just mute people who are talk bad in the comment. And
I know
everybody
him
who
a mute.
bad, I'm gifted
I
him.
know him a mute. I must say him
the moderator.
moderator them a mute. And them a mute people where talk like Ivany. They want mute people who agree with Ivany because Vani was trying to warn him. Vani said, listen, me tell himself, not necessarily tell her outright, figure suck your mama and take a gift or whatever. No, send back the gift. Just do what you normally do. Don't acknowledge it. Play a game like you're not even sister, she sent a lion. Do what you do and just ignore her.
He should have called her name, him should have said thanks to everybody.
And then she keep on attack, him keep on attack about me baby mother, me I tell the truth, no, Jakes must understand, say his supporters support him because they don't like Rosalie.
Then baby mother.
We not say no, but we not support Jakes baby mother. So if him baby mother join to him, let me talk for myself. Me not support Jakes baby mother. So if Jakes, I got defend him baby mother, me hold back my one till him eat back Rose. Cause me not like Rose. So me hold back my one till him eat Rose. And that's what me
Jakes, if you listen, eat back Rose. Forget back your gift.
Yeah, eat back Rose at your house, Becca morning.
Who next?
I will start that. I can't talk no pretty girl.
Yeah man, me come down, now me come down.
I don't really follow up.
Let me check it out.
Alright,
Kiki, keep up yourself.
Yeah. I don't really follow up this thing. I like come in a box and them so you know. But you see as where the girls say look while me not have to talk out, read between the line. And that happened to Jakes in a real life.
Yes, Rosalie, fuck him.
Yeah man. Me even want as me start talk my head swell bigger. You know see
Well, people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, right? Because you see, Jakes is a man who is a headstrong person. He's not a walkover. You see me, I say, he might don't talk a lot, but when things did if he adjust, he might go adjust it. And me telling you, say social media from some people give you, or help you to get money for whatever reason, them are gonna feel like them control your life. You know what I mean? And not even them alone, as long as somebody will support you, will accompany your life and I say ray and thing, them are go and run your life. But Jakes is a man, as me say, he look like him headstrong and him a feel more opinion and him not really care about the next person one. You see it, so him do what him feel like. You know what I mean? Him not take no program from nobody. So that's why I know everybody up in them feeling certain way. But let me know what you think, make you watch somewhere.
Yeah.
what happened to him?
Give never too much, man.
I'm a clot.
Dion?
Yeah, but I just
How should do? Jump out of the box? Come guys, tap the screen, can nobody not tap, and if me get this sticker, I gotta just end the live, but not deal it tonight. Come guys, gonna send me 2 gifts the same time, make we talk and chat. Chef, you have something to say?
I'm tough, but I don't want to finish our statement. People might call
Tough your time.
The people might call stuffy, but you love too much Robia, but me want to hear tough you have to say.
Tough me hear what you say.
Sunshine doll, may I tell you the honest truth? I just feel fuck up. God no, I feel fuck up for Jakes. I tell you that. I feel fuck up for you. Yeah, I feel away. Because him alone a push the pitney them and stuff like that. You understand? Him alone and him have him gifters them and them something there. But Vanny did I want him, but like him saying go stitch for your eye, but over the stitch, but not over the aisle. Him can't be slow so. And a big top school him go. Me no know. Him get fuck.
Yeah, man, him get fuck, man.
Tuffy, how you feel, Tuffy? What you say, Tuffy?
Good night, Savage.
Good night. Feel fuck up. I mean, have the money.
Why you feel fuck up? Cause you not have money.
Thank you, the real Barbie. Listen, guys, we're not gonna talk one at a time. You know, nobody cut nobody. When I hear time, I love you. I gotta talk for a few minutes, 2 minutes or so. I wanna rotate the talking. You understand? Case right now, it a run smooth. It not sound like Coronation Market.
Like last night.
Yeah, so me want it go on same way. So continue, Tuffy, what you say? Come on,
you fuck up.
Why?
I have no money, come up broke.
Our baby there.
Listen, me not lie, guys. Me feel a way for him, and me I gotta be honest with you now. When me see him get 0, not even a tap, me say yes, TikTok serious. The people, the gift of them serious. That job.
I mean, the pan TikTok, me never see nobody has 0 till match end. Not even.
Man, of course never see this.
We never see that yet. That's a cruelty.
Them free. Oh God.
Me over them that top theme.
Me I go top theme next time, Monica and Chef. We are go over there, go do it next time.
No, but when we reach
Cassandra, don't call me name. No, me not look over here. So go see me at top of my screen.
When we reach over there, you know, I share live me and watching and me say, as me reach, so the game was level 2nd. Me couldn't switch to go over the game 2.
Sunshine, show them again. Somebody else is then I really get 0. Then think
of course. Alright.
Don't show nothing again. Yeah.
So him
but
get
search the live, him and share. Don't show nothing again, Sunshine.
May I show the people that me didn't see it. See there? 0.
Support them, guys.
The game done.
Oh God.
I'm a 0.
No man. Let me not do a test round.
And it look like him and share play for a good while. Oh God. Boy, people, but remember, say if you don't say you don't love the kids, them right? They all stop not slap yet. Make you slap, they all stop, man. I will bring them up in the box so much time me something there. Sir, what you want?
Top. I said the request by mistake.
Again. Him can't get away with anything. I wanna say a joke. Jayden never Chris to pussy class. Me not like Jayden again. Guys, I'm very sorry. Look how much time it says sorry to you people. And them still not cancel me. Look, me defend that them gonna run on please cause me I gonna need enough in that party. Me I gonna need enough chat, me I gonna need enough please. Wanna see if either them wanna come. Wanna need I gonna hear them stop give Jayden. Ah! I go hear some of them in the comments. Hear them, me not care. Me just can't eat Jayden. No, but for real, dog. For real, man, I miss Naya for true, man, for real. dog, just got trim off your hair and done, my boy.
Come here.
Cause you cover up this something, bro. Everybody. See, relax your dog. You need to take a page out of my book, dog.
Back up liquor there, back up liquor.
What you want me back up liquor for? If you want to see me fit, then I just say it, man.
Let me see if it. Where you go?
Where me I come from? Lord of Jesus, you just not to see it.
So where you come from?
You know, so we work on a major project for the people, give them some real entertainment and some real, you know, off just live and them thing there. Me and cousin.
So me not give them nothing?
No, I never say that. Can't discredit the thing. I do what you have to do, but me I talk like project. Like, you know, real project.
Like Tavi project.
No man, Tavi thing a different thing. A reality thing we are deal with. So one thing say,
So Tavi thing a reality?
Tavi do skit. We are the reality show. Oh.
Yo, London, I want to send a message to Tavi. Tell Tavi I'm sorry for trouble him and put him in a depression and thing there, bro.
No, you put Tavi in a depression, bro.
How?
And if you want to send out a message, you send a message on Ray. You see me?
No, I cause him say me a part time we put him in a depression and them thing there, bro.
With the rims them dog on the beast. Me just drop the rims them on the beast in the dog. Go ahead look.
Yo, London, stop showing me whole car now, youth.
Oh, wait, look. Bro, you will just do something, sir?
Where show me whole car for?
I never crossed you there a while ago. Oh, me look.
Lando, what me can't show me?
Hold on, bro. Yeah?
Oh.
How me look? Where me I come from? I come from a shoot. We do a movie, you know? What? How much did I rate me that day?
Not the shoes, but everything else can.
Anybody not like your shoes?
Lando, which girl that?
Don't worry about that. Focus on what you have focus on.
Now go tell Emmy.
Can't bother with that you tell me.
No.
Yeah, mix up. You look nice, go brown in man. Hold on, let me mute this one.
You're on my TikTok, right?
We are just doing a video. Tag on TikTok. You want them to see her?
Let me see her.
Hi there.
You single?
Leave me. I want.
She don't want you, bro. I want you, bro.
How you know that, Lando? Lando, I feel like more do one content here now.
No, bro. No.
Them go mix them like them baga.
Alright, my people, someone to tell me what you think in the comment section. I don't talk too much in the rest of the video here. I will just run through it, you know what I mean? So let me know what you think. We can watch some more.
You're a married man, bro. Just I do one look of video. She said she like my outfit. She rated it out of 10.
Well, I can't do TikTok, you know.
Which video you want?
No, I can't dance.
Anything you want, man. See your sister Shay, yeah. Shay, what go on?
Me there, my baby, alright?
Blue 6 on.
Yeah, me know the team, me so and come back, yeah.
Restart, yeah.
Lando!
Yeah?
Me have one good news. But me I beg you. No man, one news where go the whole internet I go stir up. But me I beg you and Jayden. Me I beg you and Jayden 3,000. You can't ask the people to follow me, please.
Oh yeah man guys, you know follow up Shay. And you wanna Jayden follow me too. Everybody follow me too. Me I promote myself. Follow Shay. And you pay this Shay?
No, me said the other page is gone, but if me reach 100k followers if me reach 100 pan this, me drop in news.
Alright, everybody follow up, everybody. Follow up chat. You want 300?
No left me out.
Follow up everybody.
Yeah. Tag me and look 3,000 followers, please.
Follow chat. Everybody follow me. Could hear what I go on. Jesus. Shame me I want to sit where go beneficial to me.
It a go beneficial to you, of course. I can't even. Alright, wait. I'll get the follow first.
How people them go fly when I block you all of them?
Me don't block them.
Dancing.
You block
Come
them?
on, chat me. I look 3,000 followers, but me tell you what's up.
Guys, you don't follow her up.
3,000 followers, chat. 3,000. Them get black. Lord,
Guys, follow.
You what?
Follow her, guys. Follow her, guys. Follow her, guys. She just want. What do you mean 3,000? You just want let me see.
at 3,000 followers more, 300. At 3,000 more, because me can't check. 97.
No, you need 400. 400.
I'm for 400 when hey boy.
I'm not 3K she want chat. No 100.
Yes, because we want 100K followers, boy. You can't.
Guys, you follow up, she want 2,000 followers more to go 100K.
Chat, follow her.
No man, you want 100 more.
No, 200. That's 200 she need. 200 more.
Yes, sir. Chat, you follow her, guys. Make we hear what one.
Follow her, guys. Follow.
You follow her, chat. And follow me too, guys. All who don't follow me, guys. You don't follow me too, please. Say why everybody has say you block her. You block them. As much people you block them.
Blocky.
Mirrors, clot.
Follow her, guys. Follow her. The news just come in. The news, see there. The news just come in.
I will sound it later. I don't know what to do.
Darling, I'm single, darling.
Get our fan one by
Bro, focus on Rose here, Reggie. I want to hear that. Focus on Rose here,
Jayden, the followers.
So, the followers, chat, the followers. Give us some chat to the follower, them. Follow her. So, Lando, how you so defensive? I have woman.
No, bro, she's a supporter. She support me, so I have to look out for her well-being.
You don't even look out for your well-being, brother. You so like...
We have to because...
Good things happen, someone just nothing know. If you get black, you just get black. I just
too much people, everybody will comment over here say you block them. No man, you never know you run hardware.
Well, them nothing know. Maybe go somewhere else. Them just nothing know nothing. Maybe go somewhere else.
Chat, follow her.
Follow her, chat. And follow me too. Me promote me, sir.
This one is a guy, my step back and TikTok.
They see your body looking around. The man knows your body.
That's why TikTok I got blue, yeah.
They're not blue, man.
No, man, daddy, they're not blue. Show it.
Your body not show you nothing. Your blood.
So, London, you move, sir.
Me a black traffic. Me a black blood clot traffic. Me a black traffic. You not get me, man.
London, so you now we do content also?
No, we not no work. We not nothing for the Jayden. Nothing we not for the.
You move, sir, dog.
Yes, that's how me I move. You shake and black.
Guys, you follow man, bumbo. How the fuck?
Guys, you follow shake me. We hear what go on a chat. Oh, 100 more. Sorry, sir.
London, you move like that, London, we're here to the dog.
You know, man, we rate you to that. We rate you.
Come on. It's a go down. Yeah.
I saw the massive on the app.
How much time she breathes, so?
Then Anna never did come out and say she had breathe and red and scan after her with the blood.
No!
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. As I say, my people, may I run through that one here quick and fast. So, make her watch some more and then move on to the next.
Oh man! So Mika, gonna have the belly again?
So she not have to eat it and life art, so she, what do you? The cheddar eat her own egg them, scramble, boil, all in an omelette.
No, them girl love that shit, belly. Them not afraid, they better kill them.
Hello, Tappy.
My dear.
Tappy shade.
Now, if you stop that shit, belly, suck me, I might.
Are you for Tappy? And tap about them not afraid they better kill him. Some people just come for fling things, you know. Some people ban cricketer, you know. Some people are ban cricketer. Some people put man javelin and this stuff. They can throw.
Oh God.
No man,
how much time Mika go breed again?
Shay, come here. Come here, Shay. I saw man in a Belgium.
A man in a 4 a.m.
Yeah man, you want a nap. I think you need to go and rest on your pillow. Shay, you yawn a while ago, you know.
Come suck me.
Shay, I would have suck you, but you know who about me that use?
Ooh.
Zuma man.
Duh.
Yeah. You yawn a while ago, my baby. I'm from morning you work.
No, I am from morning.
You yawn, man.
At 6 hours now me there.
Huh?
Look, all like you there, move your blood clot. All like you there.
I just came on.
At 6 hours, me do my shift already. Me come go my bed now. Come me do my shift.
That's what you feel of me stripper, so.
No, me not favor me stripper. Me stripper favor herself. Me look like me.
No shame, and you give me a triple vibes.
Yeah.
So Jayden call you. I'm thinking they don't call, but he end up calling you.
No, and I don't like that. In my check pan Queenie. You know what I'm saying?
It's Jayden and Queenie after.
Queenie and slip out at work.
Huh?
Yeah,
At the bonnet, you know?
Eh?
At the bonnet of the engine.
No, at the drill slip out her hand.
Oh God, so Queenie have, I just one and Queenie have now.
Yeah, one hand share use. Why my ears are bleed?
I shell. Yeah, exfoliate.
But you good here now still, she asleep.
What do you mean she good on the one hand? And the hand she use, don't let that slip out.
Yeah, the hand
That means if she want box me now, she gonna look like handicap.
Yeah, cause she was.
That's what she for the box me. I know I'm beat up ab. I know. No, I want to run in and on the 6 shoulder, I want to bite it.
Oh God, take time with that. She look so well right now. Take time with that. She look so well. She look so well right now.
You never hear when your enemy down, you down them more.
She ain't your enemy.
Who tell you so? And she's a friend.
She who?
Jayden and she call my name to my man.
Me say, them chat here, see?
But she, Jayden, woman, gone back a foreign.
She gone back, but she coming back down soon. I not think I saw it. Let's meet us at Renim.
You can't send one more request for my life.
Yeah.
Accept Jayden. So Jayden bring the girl what the go do on the nails.
No, me just exaggerate. No.
Jayden, see what you want. Jayden, move your knee cup. Big, ugly looking, big forehead face and go from your somewhere. Jayden knows big in mouth, big in belly, big in knee cup, big. Jayden have an ugly cocky store in her underpants. Jayden, me know you leak out the light when you and she are grind, cause you don't want to see your weakness. Move your nasty thinking germs, except that's why Annie cook you and swallow your belly nasty, Jayden. Jayden, you want beard in a pulse. Jayden want beard in a pulse. Number one, Jayden cologne smell like this, the one with that, with diabetes.
No, Shebada, I cannot do my friend like that.
Me eat nasty Jayden from Annie cook the rice, Guinness like him deaf.
Shebada, don't do that.
Oh, Jayden sick my stomach. Right now I'm sick my stomach.
Shebada, that is not right to say.
Me say anything come on my big nasty stinking suck cocky mouth.
Okay. Continue.
Jayden is a sperm bag. Oh.
Jesus Christ. Shebada, you cannot say that, Shebada.
Me say anything come on my mouth about the dog. Me say anything.
You cannot say that about my best friend.
Are you your best friend and my friend? Me don't know him from nowhere. Oh. No
I am man, Shebada.
Jayden told them favor tie and die. Cause me don't know where my bleach say.
Shebada, you see my man?
She come so cool. Shall we class?
Shebada, listen to me. I wanted to get up off the fridge. And I wanted to walk around the road and go back up the road. And I wanted to come back road, so I just went across the shake it up for someone. Shake it up. The blood clot there.
Me the name politician, no. No, she not laugh out this come on earth. My feet.
You need arm, you too big. One thing, you don't believe blood clot feeling, see?
No, you can't chat to me again, you know, Shay.
Why?
A different kind.
Love my life, dog. Come back here, some man. Him love man, you see? Love my life, dog. Me no even tell a man.
So we used the same exact season what we used the season B, which is.
Can't remember.
Chat remember why me and chat out here?
No, darling. No, darling. Me not chat people, so darling.
You nasty Jayden.
No.
Jayden underpants them stiff like British girl.
Don't say that.
Oh. Nah, ask you. Jayden with the one sheep on in bed. Me nah ask you, Shay.
And your face shine like the old English polish them over England.
Face shine like Jayden belly after him eat any rice.
I can never win.
But I never know you come for defend Jayden. If you know you come for defend Jayden, Shay, my class.
No, me not defending, me just a say.
Oh.
Yeah. Me can't defend him against you. You're crazy? You're my friend.
What am I doing with overseas girl?
Achoo.
Me and him share the same sunshine.
Right. Sunshine.
Alright, people. As me there, I tell you, I run through that one here quick and fast, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we run through that one here quick and fast for people, so let me know what you're thinking in the comment section, and we are going to watch a bit more, and then we are going to move on.
Friend for visa.
Right.
You know, me too like Jayden.
Achoo, me not like him neither.
No, honestly.
That make we a team.
Share with this, you know. How you take for joke? I don't realize that me are hurt.
No, the book can make a perfect team. Me I like him. I don't like him. So make a perfect team.
You don't realize that me are hurt, you know, like a girl.
Yeah, me I hurt. Me know. Me understand your feelings, yes. Let it out, darling. Let it out. No, darling, me take.
Say me I try hard, you know.
No, of course. I know that, darling.
We made for the Jayden.
Nothing, and I'm very ungrateful. I did a lot for him.
Maybe it's an ungrateful dirty germs.
Right.
Drunk crow.
Right.
No, it's not like.
I told him very ungrateful.
It's an ungrateful dog. Jayden
right.
The one born without bird paper.
Right.
You know how much time me I try register? Hey, I would if I tell me I try register Jayden in a church.
Clap that, right. Blood clot, but right.
No bird paper.
None whatsoever.
But why am I doing that though?
No man, him check fear differently, man. Don't say that.
You look at the chick where man give me bones.
When you?
You know, the girl down here, the girl look back to you, but me can't argue. So, you know, like, you don't want to go in.
Yeah.
Me can't go in. Come in now, tell me a lie.
Right.
I just said the part and then you share the overseas book.
Yeah.
Me can't, me have to be careful of me a class the bitch.
Right, yeah, I will take time look a bit.
And she legal, you know. Yeah, she legal. Not with him in her over.
Yeah.
Over.
Right, yeah.
A while ago.
No, me agree with you.
Yeah, what?
I agree with everything what you say.
Done the body.
No.
Come see her pile up your fingers so they can't see.
No, me I say that dirty boy.
And that did I say?
Yeah, me I say dirty Jayden, look what you do.
Oh.
Right. You may defend.
Yeah, defend me, Shay.
Yes! Come here, help your customer boy.
They go defend Queenie one and that is go defend her shoulder where I pay her.
Take time of moment and you can't deal with her, so.
Me the whole on the right, you know, yeah?
No, me not do nothing, you know. Me innocent.
Bitch. Remember you call Jayden woman sister-in-law.
No, a mistake.
You ever make mistake and call me Jayden's wife?
Of course, I always say, Jayden, your wife. I always do it. What you saying to me, Shebada? Shebada? What you saying to me? I always do that.
You're a liar.
I'm not telling lie. Lie is abomination unto the Lord, you know.
Shay, sometimes I don't know how Queenie there with you now.
I true, sometimes I don't know neither.
Queenie must touch her. Queenie want freedom.
True, true. Jayden want freedom.
You don't say with a beat up your blow.
Jayden want freedom too.
Huh?
No, me mean like he want freedom from. No, me mean listen to me, Shebada, listen. I mean he want freedom from the girl.
No, we can't stop with the money.
That's exactly what I mean.
You're too hypocritical for me now, Shay. You're too hypocritical for me. I can't follow with you. You're just too hypocritical. You're like a hypocrite.
Right. What, Shebada?
Shay, you're talking again, my boss.
I would never do such thing.
Shay, I taught you.
I would never do such thing, Shebada.
And this is not the first time.
I would never. What? I would never do that.
I love you, little more.
Alright, my baby. I love you too, yeah.
Go so. Later.
Yeah, I love you, darling.
Yeah, Queenie, your shoulder big up.
Me no want hear them voice. I will never. I don't even care if me agree a million times with them. I say fuck with them. I say me no want hear that shit. The fuck? Nobody disrespect me. I me come over here and talk about this that pick up for what? Fuck no. But me build different. Me build different. I'm gonna talk when me talk about the way how me see Sassy with GX disrespect Sassy. And Sassy come talk defend GX make us y'all get disrespected no. You're like, that's crazy. I could never do it, but that is you. That is you. Can nobody when me help and them a come and disrespect me. You crazy? And then me gonna have other people that disrespect me because of them? Because of them? You crazy? You crazy? The world see this man disrespect you. No, you're getting in a argument with other people because of this man. No, I am not doing it. Me not do it. I am not doing it. I am not doing it. Me not walk and defend nobody will disrespect me. You're crazy. You disrespect what? Disrespect me after me help you and you come turn around and disrespect me and then me gonna have people that drag me and disrespect me. No, I'm not doing it. And chat, I tell her this privately. Me tell her say I'm not doing that. I am not doing that. Me tell her privately and me can say I am not doing that. Me no care. Me no care. The way how Jake disrespect Sassy, me would matter if Jake sleeping, I go lay. I don't give two fuck. If I go lay and sleep, you're crazy. Nobody disrespect me. And me, I look out for them, and you can turn around and disrespect me. I have all people that disrespect me. And then now, people are getting a problem because any problem me are getting with somebody, make it be as a result of what I did. Not as a result of me defending somebody. If me and somebody are gonna argue or somebody are gonna disrespect me, make them disrespect me because of something I did. Not make it be because of something me I defend somebody. You're crazy. You're crazy. As me tell her this privately. And she's a woman that's a big woman when me respect and me know her heart is good. But you have sometimes you have to step back. You have to step back. You have to step back. You gotta step back because and the first time you see you get disrespected because of Jakes. Because of something to do with Jakes. Not the first time. Not the first time. It's not the first. As me telling you in the chat, when me talk over here, I'm going about my business. Me going about my business. No, come on.
You know, come on.
Yeah, no, come on.
King, I can't get chat to go.
Yeah, everybody choose what they want choose, chat. Everybody choose what them want choose.
Hey, my people, I'm telling you something, man. There's enough people in this life, yeah. Them not believe in a second chance, you know. Especially toward the type of person where them don't believe in a second chance, you know. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, you know, my people, a person can do some of the worst thing to you, you know, and you still keep them close, you know. You see me? And you still look out for them. But certain like access to you, what them used to get, them not get that no more. You know what I mean? But me or Ivany say, boy, she would never like cuss a person or kick off with them and then turn back friend. You see me? And that depends also. You see, so for you don't want to go argument with somebody where you love, and it's just a small little argument. You tell me say you go cut off that person for life? No. Let me know all the thing. You can watch some more.
You know, we're grown and everybody have to know what they want to do. But as me tell you say, nobody nan disrespect me and me go for bad for them. Me not try be altar girl or altar boy. I don't care. But when you fuck me over, the only thing I wish for you have to see you get fucked over. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. When me, especially if me know somebody genuine to you, and you come fuck me over, I wouldn't care if Jake sleep in the fucking gully. I wouldn't give a fuck. And that is just where I stand. Fuck you. You could have sleep in the fucking gully. I don't care. You could have named shit for all I care. I don't care. No, I don't. Once you cross certain line, there's no going back. Not even death can't bring you back over that the line there. Not even death. As when you dead, me go say the fucker you should have dead long time. That is it. Crazy. Make nobody make you account disrespect me. Make disrespect me for my opinion. I what me say. No disrespect me because of somebody else.
Only this a container.
That is where I stand when it comes to that chat. That is where I stand. Everybody different, you know. People go hard for people. And people genuine. But as me go tell you say, you go hard for people who appreciate you. That's why you go hard for them. You go hard for people who appreciate you. You don't go hard for people who disrespect you. That is just it. I don't believe in that. You go hard for people who go appreciate you. No, people are going to disrespect you.
You want a little color?
Me I forgot rub on thing then, man. Me I get dog for true for share say that, you know. You don't know a serious thing for true,
Oh,
man.
well, try. You have to try TikTok. Cause if Google, man, no, Google I give problem.
Try TikTok, do what?
For recharge.
Your money done rich. Go nyam eboy. So what I'm sure what happened?
Let her take me there, what
What going on there, yeah? My shift not done, no?
I'm not busy there, your shift, darling. I see everything, but I don't care about your shift, darling.
Where see?
I don't see you. You play a match with 4-way, I see you.
Where me not see everything?
I see you play a match 4-way.
Where me not see everything? What can I talk that?
No, I see, you say your shift not done, and I see you, I see everything, and they play a match 4-way. I don't care about your blood clot shift. Me sign a contract, dirty boy.
So what? So Queenie good?
Yeah, she alright now.
Alright, good.
See you done here now? You're not stuck. You're not stuck. You're move. You move, dirty boy.
Jesus Christ.
You're gonna trick me, eh?
You know see Kiki trim.
Trim? Forward.
Trim half a year, like she trim half a year.
Must you have depression? Must you look kind?
You think so?
Me no know.
She don't mix up no. But I have too peaceful, man. No mix up now. No.
No, sir, me don't know about them, Me don't know about them, the people, the darling.
No.
No, sir. But them want trim or them want do anything, that's for them problem.
Jesus Christ. So mix up, so sure, no mix up. They all up so dead, man. Buckler. Who can't cuss now? Come on, man.
Me not cuss up soul.
So you not trim too?
For what? After me in a depression. After me in a depression.
So if me trim me in a depression?
So on the bar, what's your ball off for itself?
Alright, my people. Yo, me I tell you say yo, that video, yeah. When me I go no, me don't know how me do it, my people, but me did it. You see, because yo, right now me there I'm more asleep, your friend. I'm still a power show. and say me have to done this before me. So if any little mistake or mess up night, me I tell you no, blame it on the sleep. You see me? Make watch some more.
No. I don't know what them say depressed people do that. Me don't know.
Probably should go join the army.
Jayden, I shot you at the army. The army don't require a woman for trim. What the fuck? The army don't require a woman for trim. What the fuck?
Probably should not woman.
Shower.
No. Snow.
Shop. It's so good, boy.
Can you see that in that video too? Probably she has recruit and join the army. You see me, I say probably she.
The army don't require for blood clot trim as a woman.
She not she probably she. I mean, I tell herself she not probably no man, woman.
Shower.
I probably should depress because I not talk to her.
That's your problem, Dana. You and them must sit on screen with them. I don't know why you can't see me now.
What mean by that?
Me don't see up on screen with her. So what you mean?
So what you tell me so me not put the on screen with her?
So you mean she depressed because she style it shade so it's no depression. Oh, them say she style it.
You want blood clot time you go out on screen. Him take your opportunity to try this my woman with Trump.
I hear a problem that I'm not busy with you and them because every time them this.
I don't mean a TJ at him.
Every time they say you go right back so you deserve the this, take it. But tell them not involve Rose, just this you.
Plot that. What them not gonna do that shit because what? Because them know me share, them know what any this them cope with it not share. Them know me not give a fuck about that, you know. You see, but them go and try bring in my wife.
Oh. Queenie is good, man. Queenie alright.
Make sure Queenie good enough.
Yeah, she good, man.
Yeah, man, I don't give her too much problem.
I don't give my man problem. Every time I not cheat, I bright tea.
So who cheat?
Nobody not cheat.
Oh, okay.
Nobody not cheat, darling.
Yeah, nobody not cheat for true, darling, is it? Bun check.
Bun check.
Yeah, me that tell us a shame, me no rate them style with them, no rate them style a shame, you see it? No rate them style.
The style.
If you can booze up Shebada.
Mother love.
Besides me. Batty brush.
Mother love.
Batty brush.
Yo, Zoom, I'm telling you honest truth, man, you focus, dog, you see, just focus, bro.
Shay, what go on? You have me up?
Me have you. I'm a good man.
One deep thing, you got to say money, boy.
Mother love.
Gee, they must tell me I want to do this, dog.
As much as possible.
Oh, you like it?
Emily!
Like that.
Batty brush. Oh, they got suck. You man, I say my wheel a batty boy. I say my about the way I said was pussy.
Mother love. Zoom, I'm see your drive bus for the year.
Yeah.
Why not take that job there serious?
But take it serious, bro. I did my drive bus, bro.
Eh?
Yeah, bro. I'm not joking thing, bro. Nothing now going over here for me, you see. Believe in the place.
No, man, I can't come on live early morning time, dog. That's a go on.
I chew, Jayden, I chew.
Yeah, man, you get too comfortable in the reach when you're in the live. Zuma, tell me honest truth. What you think about that, man? Just give me honest truth.
Jayden. I'm mute him and talk to you.
Yeah, mute him and talk.
Listen up, Melissa come and mash up every robot and every computer. Where am I go? This man not talent, this man not career, this man not go. Where am I go? This man a madman. This man a girl left him for this man a girl left him for fuck girl. This man a sick. Yes, so you won't look.
him our talent, man. Him born for cranny.
Oh.
So Shay, what you think? Man, you know, say the man I want to waste a life, dog. You know, see what happened? You know, say the man I want to waste a life, dog. Yo, me don't know. But yo, Mayo. See, bad now. You know, say them coulda keep now and take him. See, bad.
Makes sense. A lot of sense.
Oh man, them coulda keep now and take him, man. Blood clot, man. I want to man. Yo, the man no, the man make sure. Oh, me I go too far? Alright, sorry.
Yeah, tongue powerful, yeah?
I just young wait for me. I wait for me for dead.
No, me no mean so.
No, man, I just young wait for me.
Oh, God, boy, that motor too. That motor. That motor. Oh, God.
Yo, so
oh, God. Eh?
I want a question. I want a simple question.
Bring me back before them chance, man. Bring me back, that show. Bring me back.
Share, big up my sister, me circle you.
Alright, yeah.
Cause we are saying again, we can't want to suck Shebada.
Oh God, fuck them, I cancel me now, Jesus Christ. Oh God.
Jayden,
I'm chat myself.
Stop with me.
So what are you run for the cancer so?
But them can't see all because come no Jayden and stop and come on.
No, let me tell him sorry. I'm sorry, bro.
No, I'm not sorry. Come on from the street, brother.
So NPC, I got all of them.
No, I'm telling you something. That's the one thing when I run joke with that.
So NPC, you're gonna make them cancel me, dog. Sorry, man.
Remember your time for dead. I'm on this fish pan screen of card.
So them are gonna support you now.
You want a little color?
Man, I forgot rubber and look thing then, man. Me I get that for true for a share say that, you know. You don't know a serious thing for true,
oh,
man.
Well, try. You have to try TikTok. Cause if Google, I don't know, Google I give problem.
Try TikTok, do what?
For recharge.
Your money done rich. Go nyam ebo. So what I'm sure what happened?
Let her take me there, what happened?
I got an idea, yeah. My shift not done, you know.
I'm not busy your shift, darling. I see everything, but I don't care about your shift, darling.
Where you see?
I don't see you. You play a match with 4-way, I see you.
Where you mean not see everything?
I see you play a match 4-way.
Where you mean not see everything? What kind of talk that?
No, I see, you say your shift not done, I see you, I see everything, and they play a match 4-way. I don't care about your blood clot shift. Me sign a contract, dirty boy.
So what? So Queenie good?
Yeah, she alright now.
Alright, good.
Alright, the people, so this Sassy a clap back at Shebada. Think me share with you earlier on, people. Me I tell you, say, if any mistake making another video, blame it upon sleep, you know. I think me share the answer with Shebada answer to this way Sassy I go say, you know, with when she and something depend the live. Me not 100% sure say me share it, but I think so. Me I see it, me can double check. Maybe me double check me people, because me tell you say they sleep and hold me. So here we go on here. Me go watch some more.
We have separate, two different opinions. She all fear me, all for me. Me say me not see nothing wrong with co-parent, she have a problem. But that still not say, because whatever. And if me didn't even disagree with them and then co-parent, me still wouldn't still come bring him down, because I am not like that. That Jakes me attack. I wouldn't come bring down Jakes, because me genuinely want the youth to win. This I don't know buy nothing. Because I know say from day one, my me a blood clot root to this youth till now. So me still want to see the youth win, and me still want to see the house deck, and me still want to see the door them put in, and me still want to see the window them, and me still want to see him living in it.
You see that? Anyhow, lawyer make a speech this evening, yeah. And I want to listen what lawyer say. Over here, I will never even play a screen recording over here with them. Because I don't want no parts of them. That's how much me don't want to have nothing to do with them. What is this shit? Hold on, guys. Not even a screen recording, you're not going to hear me play them. Because when me separate myself from certain things and certain individuals, that's it. Me don't want to hear their voice. I will never. I don't even care if me agree a million times with them. I say, fuck with them. I say, me don't want to hear that shit. The fuck? Nobody disrespect me. And me come over here and talk about, oh, this, that, pick up for what? Fuck, oh no. But me build different. Me build different. I'm gonna talk when I talk about the way how Mrs. Sassy with GX disrespect Sassy. And Sassy come and talk defend GX, make us y'all get disrespected. No. You're like, that's crazy. I could never do it, but that is you. That is you. And nobody when me help and them a come and disrespect me. You're crazy. And then me gonna have other people that disrespect me because of them. Because of them? You're crazy. You crazy? Over here, I will never even play a screen recording over here with them. Because I don't want no parts of them. That's how much me don't want to have nothing to do with them. Not even a screen recording, you're not going to hear me play them. Because when me separate myself from certain things and certain individuals, that's it. Me don't want to hear their voice. I will never. I don't even care if me agree a million times with them. I say, fuck with them. I say, me don't want to hear that shit. The fuck? Nobody disrespect me. And me come over here and talk about, oh, this, that, pick up for what? Fuck, oh no. But me build different. Me build different. I'm gonna talk when I talk about the way how Mrs. Sassy with GX disrespect Sassy. And Sassy come and talk defend GX, make us y'all get disrespected. No. You're like, that's crazy. I could never do it, but that is you. That is you. And nobody when me help and them a come and disrespect me. You're crazy. And then me gonna have other people that disrespect me because of them. Because of them? You're crazy. You crazy? The world see this man disrespect you. No, you're getting in a argument with other people because of this man. No, I am not doing it. Me not do it. I am not doing it. My dear, I am not doing it. Me not walk and defend nobody will disrespect me. You're crazy. Disrespect what? Disrespect me after me help you and you come turn around and disrespect me and then me gonna have people that drag me and disrespect me. No, I'm not doing it. And chat, I tell her this privately. I tell her, say, I'm not doing that. I am not doing that. I tell her private.
Hold on, make a cut, make a say something. I tell her something, you see? GX no hire none away. From day one. GX never hire none away if you concuss Rose for him. None away. GX never recruit a team and say come and cuss Rose for me. And we take it up on yourself. I take it up on myself. You take it up on yourself. You take it up on yourself. Everybody take it up on themselves and cuss Rosealee for GX. Ivany take it up on herself. Shebada take it up on himself. Everybody take it up on their head and cuss Rose for GX. GX never recruit none away. GX never recruit nobody. Is it? Everybody talk at them own risk. Everybody cuss at them own risk. And still not because him disrespect me publicly, me still a go come and bring him down. Before me come here so and bring down the youth, me just no blood clots and nothing at all. But you'd never hear me come here so and bring him down and tell him say I'm stinking dirty Rose push up 3 finger and I'm batty, Rose say name him pussy name. You'd never hear I say that. Never. So no because him disrespect me, I go bring him down. Cause if me say me want him to win, me still want him to win. And me now look no likings from him. So when Shebada go say, just tell Shebada say if him no know say I mean the take on the whole blood clot internet for this man. Where was Shebada? Which part you did there? When you over there so I cuss Jake Shebada, where you did there? When you over there so I cuss Jakes and Jakes one back in where you did there, me alone I take on everybody upon this blood clot up here. For Jakes. Yes, him disrespect me. Yes, he did it. He do it. I'm not telling a lie, do it. You know why? Because some people just can't remember what you do for them or the kindness what you do for them. That is what happened to some people. Some people can't remember. Some people will never remember or what you call it, what you call it, what? Just now go acknowledge you. If you say, yo, thank you. You were there in my bad times. Thank you. You were there when I started. Thank you. Some people will never acknowledge you. But me still now go come and bring it down my youth. You would never hear that out of my mouth. No care who want bring it down, you still now go hear. You now go hear me come here so and bring it down. Not because you disrespect me. And you disrespect me in a way where you call me witch and you call me a shithouse. And I like you come tell me say me stink and me dirty and me shape bad and me suck out like a Shebada do. Jakes did not do that. Jakes called me a witch. In the whole Peter Gay argument. And he called me and he said to me, and he said, you know, wanted an argument with the liar girl them come. And that argument with them girl, when the moderator girl them did come and say how me are going to people inbox, it was Cheryl. And me and Cheryl talk it out. And me and Cheryl talk it out. So I never like so when I hear the girl them say me are going to people inbox and I tell people say if stop support him. It was Cheryl. Remember, I'm no liar. Cho, me not going at it. Cho. Yes, it was Cheryl. A Cheryl, me and Cheryl talk. And I saw the argument go back to the girl them. I make a girl them come here so make me look like liar and like me a traitor. If you say me I'm going to people inbox and me I say full inbox me going to me not going to people inbox. You barely see me go up in a one smarty box. Cause me not going to people box. You have to really know if you're going to your box.
I am not doing that. Me not care. Me not care. The way how Jake disrespect Sassy, I matter if Jake sleeping, I go lay. I don't give two fuck. If I go lay sleep, you're crazy. Nobody disrespect me. And me, I look out for them. And you can turn around and disrespect me. I have our people that disrespect me. And then now you and people are getting a problem because any problem me are getting with somebody, make it be as a result of what I did, not as a result of me defending somebody. If me and somebody are gonna argue or somebody are gonna disrespect me, make them disrespect me because of something I did, not be making me because of something me I defend somebody. You're crazy. You're crazy. As me tell her this privately. And she's a woman that's a big woman when me respect and me know her heart is good. But you have sometimes you have to step back. You have to step back. You have to step back. You gotta step back because I know the first time you see you get disrespected because of Jakes. Because of something to do with Jakes. Not the first time.
Not the first time. It's not the first. As me telling you in the chat, when me talk over here, I'm going about my business. Me going about my business. People not come. You know come on. You know come on? Yeah, you know come on. King, I'm going to get started.
Well on the live, well on the chat.
Yeah, everybody choose what they want to choose, chat. Everybody choose what they want. You know, we're grown, and everybody have to know what. Everybody have to know what they want to do.
I'm going to tell you, say, and some people in the chat over there say, so, guys, we're going to some F1 there. They're going to some F1 at the chat. Some of the people in the chat over there say, me I tell you, say, people they on me chat, you know, beep. Me I tell you, say, people they on me live every night. Yo, me I want to know, don't come back across me live, you know. People over there say, how me I look the man to fuck me. People over there say, me this. People over say all kind of stuff. Me mean say some dirty people. And when liars say a facts, cause when liars say Sassy and a long time from Petergate time. Liar say Sassy, Paula, she call me Paula, she say Paula, leave it alone. I from Petergate time liar tell me. So when you hear liar talk on a lie. No, because me and her depend on two sides. She's against the co-parent and I say yes, co-parent. And she ever said to me, say, leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone, leave Jakes alone, leave it alone. So when you hear she say, achoo, that she always tell me. Alright? Achoo.
But as me tell you, say, nobody not disrespect me and me go for bad for them. Me not try to be altar girl or altar boy. I don't.
Nikki Wine, you know me different. Me different. See? Because if me see anybody come right here so in my chat right here now. If me see anybody come in my chat right here so I disrespect the dude, me I go run them out of my chat and say block them. I saw me stay. Cause me still wish the youth the best and want to see the best for the youth. Me wish him the best and want the best for him. I saw me stay. So if me see anybody come to me chat right now and talk negative about me, I say, come off of my life. You understand what I say? I saw me stay. Okay.
Here, when you fuck me over, the only thing I wish we have to see you get fucked over. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. When me, especially if me know somebody genuine to you and you come fuck me over, I wouldn't care if Jake sleep in the fucking gully. I wouldn't give a fuck. And that is just where I stand. Fuck you. You could have sleep in the fucking gully. I don't care. You could have name shit for all I care. I don't care. No, I don't. Once you cross certain line, there's no going back. Not even death can't bring you back over that the line there. Not even death. As how you did, me go say the fucker you should have dead long time. That is it.
Well, you said that good night, Cherry. How are you, honey? That is the difference between me and you, liar. You see me? You see me? Me try not to keep up people in my heart, and that is how I am. Me not keep up people. Me talk my mind and me done. In the Petergate time, Jakes come here son, he called me and he said me a witch. He said me a witch. He said me a witch. Again he come back again when the same time with the whole.
Alright, the people. Alright, yeah, so I think me have anything. Yeah, man, can't go no more. So I don't know if I left out none. I look if I left out none or anything else I can squeeze in. So I don't want to think in the comments.
Argument with the girl them. I say whatever. Him come back and him say me a shit house. Yes, he did it. And that is why you hear lawyer say this. But at the same time, at the same way, me still wish good for the youth. Me still wish unmute Cherry moderator. Moderator, unmute Cherry. See, make she talk. Unmute Cherry I Queen. I unmute them moderator. Unmute Cherry and I Queen. Unmute them. That is why I say that. Unmute them, honey. Unmute them. That is why I say that. That is why lawyer said that. But you see me still not hate him. Me still not hate him and talk bad against him. And me come out and me say, him and Rosealee can co-parent, me don't have a problem with it. You know, if you apologize to me not give a fuck. Me not have no money for game. Jakes like who have money for game. Me not have no money for game, my girl. Like them the people Jakes like who can give him shit. Me not call dash your belly. Pussy. Me have 57 soon 58. Bumblehole. Show your island looking ugly looking bumbleclad mama batty boy. When you show your blood clot mama you can chat to me. Not for only upon this bumbleclad can show no blood clot identity. My identity have a blood clot upon this bumbleclad. Come me know my identity look bumbleclad good. Show your mama identity pussy. Then you can come style me. You hear that?
Like when you eat stomach and you wanna argue with me and tell lie palm in the same breath. If you ever bring me down correctly. Do me the honor in getting it correct. Don't do that. Don't tell you not have to tell lie palm, you don't sound like Annie. You know,
are you blood clot younger than me? You coming like you suffer from blood clot memory loss. You already suffer from blood clot alopecia pussy Shebada. Because you have blood clot ear loss 5 and bumble clot 3 plot you be. As a rebel call you 3 and 5 blood clot plot you be. So you already have ear loss and you suffer from memory loss. You blood clot upon a video, upon a screen recording. Say you and blood clot Ivany put up the man structure. And you say I lie me a blood clot here. To me never call Ivany name, me call your name last night. Me never say yeah, Ivany. You said it, pussy. You said it. Send the blood clot going. Yo, a full page depan. Set up shop or something in depan. Go upon you go take it and get the pussy and show him say yes, you said it. You say as a matter of fact you go deeper. Young Ivany put up the structure and you go tell me say I lie me tell batty bumblehole quiddle creature alien looking ugly looking bumbleclad. He that boy. Who your style and every girl pan this and if you style me again me I come for you wicked at tomorrow pussy. You got every girl pan you so you can blood clot style. Go name out your dash your belly send me to old mama Shebada. Go name out your mama bumblehole batty boy. Go suck out your mama bleeding blood blood pussy ras clot batty boy. Who you talk to? Who you talk to? Who your style? And I come blood clot call about your cemetery old batty boy. A 7 blood clot you with me carry pussy hole. All of them healthy. None of them on a blood clot and kept on look like invalid like bomber clot. You, Shebada. You know, me I pray for God carry me home safe from work. All me I say, yo, God carry me home safe from work. Cause me have to come blood clot rest to answer your nasty bomber clot. You say me I beg pan this bomber clot. You wanna tap up the screen and support my live goal. Tap up the screen and support my live goal. And that's why me come here so far. If you wanna blood clot beg and want nothing pan this app Shebada. Why you blood clot put up a live goal? Why you put up a gift gallery for your live? You say me the pan you say tap up my screen and support. Eh? So why the fuck if you don't want nothing? Why you a blood clot collect on this a bumble world? Batty boy. Why you a blood clot collect? If you say that say nobody no bumble clot what and what, why you a blood clot put up live goal for? If you don't want nothing, yes sir. Now because me come and say tap up my screen and support my live goal, eh? Because me come and say you come say that's an error. So why the fuck you put up gift gallery 5? You know what? Go suck your mother pussy. Don't come for me. Cause me no and me mouth no have no blood clot principle and me mouth no bride and me mouth dirty. Shebada. Teeth pretty. Go suck your mother. You think every girl can style on this bumbo clot? Any pussy friend of your friend. Shebada go suck your mother. And me alone, cause when you done your style blood clot, nice. Your style Spice, your style Miss Kitty. Every blood clot, good, successful woman on this bumbo clot, you style. And the dirty big pussy girl them on your life, so don't pan your laugh. When you upon your style, successful woman on this app here, me not successful, me's a old tegareg. But when you style successful woman like Spice and Miss Kitty, and then the girl them on your blood clot life, I laugh. Girl them on your life, I laugh. Moderator on the work, take them up and dash out on my live. On the work, moderator. The girl them on your life, I laugh. Like your blood clot funny. Come off on my blood clot life, pussy. Like it funny. Them a laugh like it blood clot funny. None of them not tell us Shebada look bad. But you come here, come blood clot or come talk about say bumbo clot, dash your belly girl. You think of your mother you look on the screen your pussy? Show your mama now. When never saw your insect looking bumbo clot mama ever look like. When never saw your alien looking bumbo clot, ugly looking mama ever look like. Pussy. I want to you.
I have to tell like my baby girl. Because me show so when me talk, you cannot be the only one who hear me say, and me a build Jake's house. Jake would have to hear that too. And Jake would have to address it. And couldn't stop him from addressing it. He have a right to address it and say, hey big so-called Shebada, what do you mean by you a build my house? He would have to understand and take it. Me that have to understand and take it and know that Jakes come from a place where him pick up rudeness and him address brightness. Now you make Jakes look like a nincompoop. You are. When you go sit down on your internet and make reference with my name attaching it to the man's structure. No, I understand why the girl said if me into construction. No, I understand. When I belittle the man, when I belittle Jakes, and I realize that when I belittle him by trying to use me. You understand me? You want to show me to the general public like he's a two-side cutlass. Girl, let me tell you something, baby girl. When Jakes needed the backing, where were you?
Here to blood clot. I saw you don't even know who is Booney and blood clot sassy. You hear what I'm saying? When Jakes needed the black backing, where were you? Listen again. This pussy don't know who is me. You don't know who is blood clot me. Here ya. Listen him now. No, listen him now. Listen.
Listen. Well, my people, wanna make me know what you think in the comment section. As me say, me I run through the wire, so make me know what you think. Make you watch some more.
Name on the top of the screen.
You look like the belly them where you dash right. Yeah, you look like where you eat. Stomach. And you wanna
yo, begging us some F1 in the chat. They post them I report the live. When I report my life, I'm cuss no man. Cause when Shebada over there style me this man, I don't make him style me not true. Go suck on a mother. Begging us some F1 in the chat.
With me and tell lie palm in the same breath. If you're gonna bring me down correctly. Do me the honor in getting it correct. Don't do that. Don't tell you not have to tell lie palm, you don't sound like Annie. You don't have to tell lie palm, baby girl. Because me show no so when me talk, you cannot be the only one who hear me say, and me a build Jakes' house. Jakes would have to hear that too. And Jakes would have to address it. And couldn't stop him from addressing it. Him have a right to address it and say, hey big so-called Shebada, what do you mean by you a build my house? He would have to understand and take it. Me that have to understand and take it and know say Jakes come from a place where him pick up rudeness and him address brightness. Now you make Jakes look like a nincompoop. You are. When you go sit down on your internet and make reference with my name attaching it to the man's structure. No, I say, I understand why the girl said it means the construction. No, I understand. Una belittle the man, una belittle Jakes, and I realize that una belittle him by trying to use me. You understand me? You want to show me to the general public like these are two-side cutlass. Girl, let me tell you something, baby girl. When Jakes needed the backing, where were you? When Jakes needed the backing, where were you? You are an aftermath. My phone around. But me said me and Bill Jakes out. Where?
I saw you know that a fool that don't know me. I saw you know say don't know who is Sassy. You don't know who is Sassy. You don't know who is Sassy. Shebada when you can me not even put on a wig, blood clot. Just when you can show your mother you can style me. Me dying to see someone who cross my screen or come well want to take someone off my page. So I know if I left right now before my blood clots, you know. That me I tell you now. Alright. In my room I lie down. I hear TikTok liar make a speech and I go play it. I gonna listen on the judge for yourself. Me screenshot some people over there. We are chat me in the chat. Where me see you on my live every day. And me waiting for uno too. Me screenshot uno too. I'm so serious maybe. Where the fucking video there, man? Yeah, where the video there? Hold on there. Yeah, me screenshot someone over there. Cause me hear over there bring a chat me. See over there chat me. And me make sure screenshot it because me waiting for no blood clot over here. Me wait pound for come over here say no. Me waiting pound on the fuck. Yeah, me wait pound no. Me now go on them page, me wait till them come so Nubian and cuss out them bumbo clot and then me block them. Hold on there. Don't move. 1 second. 1 second. On the stay there. Hold on there, key.
Make me say I go do this and do that, dog. And me don't show you off it. Me tell you why the man a behave so.
Because TJ, at first me see TJ so serious. No,
Shay, you can't run joke with Pete, bro. You know, the last man get threatened, you know, that the man gone for true. And I like a joke, the man gone for true. You see me? Me not run a joke with the man who come threaten my dog. You see, and we're not understanding. You see, if it was a case where me and the man just fall out and him threatening me, fine. But literally, obviously, the man been a pre-me for a long time then. I don't know what the fuck what. You matter about people.
Let me tell you what Jayden problem, TJ.
Jayden just not take none serious.
Right, but listen now, him run joke over your son so because in a feet made him a say, me not go around them.
Yeah,
but
me not share whether go around them or not. Me not make nobody try to set me up. Me not,
no, exactly. But that's why in a feet made him ever say, me not go around them, me not go around them.
Well, share, me not, you don't know how me stay already. Brother. Share screen with man forget kinds and all and sit there, me just not do it, bro. My life value more than that. When it blood clot dead, your kinds can't use do nothing more than bury, you know. You see me? Me just not do it, dog. I'm tell you now already. Me tell no disrespect, bro. Me tell you already, Jayden. Me tell you say rate up on a different level, you know that. But if me see you across certain part, bro, me just come out here and make you do your thing, dog. Me tell you, so don't share the screen with me and the man. And I know why you feel like a you, me just don't want. That's why. Notice the man not black in the dog.
Oh yeah, that me notice. That me notice. Come in, that me notice. Me really. Yeah. You don't have black. You don't have black. Just be good.
Alright, later.
A joke.
No, I know nothing, man. Me just be serious about what me I do, dog. Me not depend.
Yeah, me understand, bro. Sorry about that, dog. You saw things get easy.
You know much. Dog, me myself will go on a serious something, you know, Jayden. You know much call.
I'm black me on a TJ.
You come there through, you don't even know much call, make and all them something in my youth. You know, you don't understand how far the thing reached. I'm a family I get involved.
Me have to tell him one bag of fuck you, bro.
Be respectful in my bumbleclad comments. Hold a mute ya.
But they read the comments,
fuck
man.
your mama.
How them I say in the comments?
Anyway, later.
Lord youth.
You see? Sure, them can't tell us, you not tell me when me wrong for live now. See? What else them I go say now?
But me always tell you.
So what
Tap ad because remember we tried on the phone and it never works. So you should even go on the fucking live and try to do that same way. Cause your sister will go on the phone. It never work out the way we want it to work out. And everything just spin off. So you should even come on the live and do that.
Alright, take out the stress for me now. Take it out.
And a stress of the truth.
But you have stress.
Cause your sister would no, but your sister would try it on the phone and it don't work.
Alright, take out the stress.
Everybody a junk, everybody a call back. Me no want them on the phone with him. Me no want them on the phone. So you should even do it on the live. Boy, Jayden, you bumbuckler. Me lick over the phone. Oh, you stubborn, so man.